Nerve damage can profoundly affect quality of life, making simple tasks difficult and often accompanied by discomfort or pain. While medical intervention is crucial, there are natural ways to enhance the body's ability to heal. Could the key to repairing nerve damage be as simple as what you put on your plate? Stick around to discover foods that not only support your nervous system, but may also hold the secret to speeding up recovery. But before we jump right to it, kindly click that subscribe button. Also smash that like button and enable notification to stay connected with future updates. 1. Eggs. Eggs stand out as one of the most beneficial foods for nerve repair due to their high content of choline. Choline plays a vital role in producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for effective communication between nerve cells. The complete protein profile in eggs contributes to tissue repair, offering a double benefit for those dealing with nerve damage. A 2017 study published in Nutrients explored the role of choline in neurological function, highlighting its potential to enhance nerve signaling and repair. Consuming eggs regularly can support the nervous system in maintaining its structural and functional integrity, offering a natural way to promote healing and regeneration. 2. Berries. Berries are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and plant compounds that protect and rejuvenate nerve cells. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries contain flavonoids, which are known to reduce oxidative stress, a significant contributor to nerve damage. The protective effects of these compounds ensure that nerves are less susceptible to further harm, while aiding their repair. Research published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience in 2014 showed that regular consumption of blueberries improved brain signaling and slowed age-related decline in nerve function. These findings suggest that the compounds in berries may be equally effective in repairing damaged nerves, making them a natural ally in the recovery process. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, is renowned for its active compound curcumin. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that target the root causes of nerve damage. It works by reducing inflammation around the nerves and protecting them from oxidative damage, creating an environment conducive to healing. A 2013 study in the Journal of Neuroscience Research demonstrated that curcumin could promote regeneration in injured nerves, making it a promising natural remedy for those seeking to recover from neuropathy. Adding turmeric to your meals regularly can support the body's natural repair mechanisms, offering hope to those struggling with nerve-related issues. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense food loaded with vitamins and minerals that benefit nerve health. They are particularly rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin supports the maintenance and repair of nerve tissues, playing a critical role in cellular growth and regeneration. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers noted that vitamin A's antioxidant properties could protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Sweet potatoes also contain high levels of potassium, which helps maintain nerve signaling and supports overall nervous system health. Their natural sweetness and nutrient density make them an ideal addition for those aiming to heal nerve damage. 5. Green tea. Green tea is more than just a comforting beverage. It is a powerful source of catechins, a type of antioxidant known for its neuroprotective properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to damaged nerves, creating a supportive environment for healing. A 2015 study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity found that green tea extract significantly improved nerve regeneration in animal models. The polyphenol in green tea not only protect existing nerve cells, but may also encourage the growth of new ones. Regular consumption of green tea can provide long-term benefits for nerve repair and overall health. 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals essential for nerve health. The monounsaturated fats in avocados support the integrity of nerve cell membranes, ensuring proper function and communication between cells. They are also an excellent source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that shields nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E's protective effects are well documented, with studies such as one published in Advances in Nutrition highlighting its role in maintaining nerve health by promoting circulation and reducing oxidative stress. Avocados offer a natural way to enhance nerve repair and recovery. 7. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, are packed with B vitamins, particularly B1 thiamine, B6, and B12. These vitamins are essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system, as they contribute to the production of neurotransmitters and the repair of damaged nerve fibers. Deficiencies in B vitamins are strongly linked to neuropathy. Research in the Journal of Diabetes Investigation noted that supplementation with B vitamins improved nerve function in patients with diabetic neuropathy. Including whole grains in your meals provides these critical nutrients in their natural form, supporting long-term nerve health. 8. Pineapples. Pineapples are a tropical fruit rich in bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Bromelain has been found to reduce swelling and inflammation around injured nerves, facilitating a quicker recovery. Pineapples are also high in vitamin C, which supports collagen production and helps repair damaged tissues. Studies, including one published in Planta Medica, have shown that bromelain can enhance the healing process in various types of injuries, including nerve damage. The combination of anti-inflammatory and tissue-repairing properties makes pineapple a unique and effective food for nerve health. Nerve damage may seem daunting, but the foods you choose to eat can play a significant role in your recovery. By nourishing your body with these nutrient-rich options, you provide the building blocks for healing and regeneration. Each of these foods offers a unique set of benefits that support nerve repair at a cellular level. Combine them with a balanced lifestyle, and you're well on your way to regaining optimal nerve function. Could the answer to nerve repair be sitting on your plate? The science suggests it just might be. If you have enjoyed this video, here are other amazing videos to watch next. Click on it, and I will see you there.